Hi team. Today we are discussing about the document splitting. What is the document splitting? Like yesterday we have done the configuration SAP FI basic settings, and today we will discuss about the document splitting. Like how real time that document splitting will post. Okay, those things we can see in real time. Okay, like what is the example, and after that we can implement in system, and we can see output how would become. See, I will share the screen and just we can see here, this is the document splitting. Like yesterday, we have already done configuration for document splitting, like there are the and certain setups we have to do. After that, we have to post the entries and need to check the document splitting outputs. See, today you can see in the document splitting. What is the document splitting? And this is the most important point in interview, and real time also you need to understand like how that would be split. Okay, just I will say here document splitting used for new GL concept automatically split according accounting document based on the dimension, like there is a profit center segment and business area, ensuring financial statement can be generated at those dimension. Means like yesterday we have set up at the profit center as a mandatory. Okay, means when I am posting any invoice, I need to update the like I need to update the profit center. So there are the 3 points we have to discuss about the in the document splitting. There is the passive splitting and active splitting and zero balance splitting. What is the passive splitting? Passive split means just you can see system automatically split subsequent document like clearing and payment adjust document based on the split logic at original documents. Means like for example I posted expenses to vendor invoice, that is the original. When I am making the payment also, that will be post like same that 2 lines. Okay, like vendor to outgoing bank. Okay, that is called as a passive splitting. But what is the active splitting? For example, you can see this is the active splitting related. See, this is expenses as a posted 6,000 profit center 01, and expenses B as posted with the and the 4,000, and total vendor is the one 10,000, sorry, 10,000. Now you can here you can see document splitting is active and splitted according to active splitting. How that would be split, and I will show you here. You can see actually you enter what is the amount. There is expenses A 6,000 and expenses B as a 4,000. Then the profit center, one is expenses A, profit center B is A, and expenses B. Total is 10,000. Here you can see in the active splitting, it is splitting like profit center A as a 6,000 and vendor A as a 6,000, expenses B 4,000 and vendor A as a 4,000. This is called active splitting. So now we can implement in system, and I will show steps like how to do that passive, active and zero balance splitting. I will show here. Just I will share the screen. Now you can see here, like I will show the backend configurations. Okay, just you can go here. SPRO, reference IMG, financial accounting, and general ledger accounting, business transaction, document splitting. Here we have defined the classified GL account document splitting. What we define document splitting, classified GL account for document splitting means 1 to 2,000, those are related to balance sheet. What is 1 to 2,000 are the balance sheet means there are accounting groups, assets and liability. Okay, we have defined this is balance sheet. 2001 to 3000 is the expenses GL account, 3001 to 4000 as a revenue GL account. I will show you once again, like these are the. Yeah. So there is a second step I will show you. Just I will reshare the screen. Okay, just you can see and reference IMG, financial accounting and general ledger and business transaction, document splitting and class per GL account to document splitting. This is our chart of account. These are the accounting groups we have defined. So this is the first step. What is the second step is there is as a classified document type for document splitting. So these are SAP standard, okay, and SAP given. This like this document splitting, like what is a transaction business transaction variant SAP already provided. No need to create it. Why? Because you can see there is a KR document example we can see, and KR is related to vendor invoice. Okay, here as a 300 business transaction is showing as a 300. What is 300 vendor invoice? Okay, this is a business transaction, and 3001 is the, as you can see here, vendor invoice standard means when you are posting the document KR, automatically it will take based on this predefined rules. Okay, now just you can go, this is the second step, no need to configure it, and third step is define zero balance clearing account. What is zero balance clearing account? Example, you can see here. See, for example, when I am clearing this amount, what happen? I don't give this to profit center. I will take only one. For example, I will take profit center 01, but I don't take in the profit center 02. During that time, automatically this zero balance clearing account will come due to debit and credit is not match. That's why we will get the zero balance clearing account. Now you can see this is our and the chart of account. And here you can see how defined as a 1001. This is called as a zero balance clearing account. Okay, so this is a configuration. After that, we have to check the most important point in the document splitting is define document splitting chart for general ledger account. You can see here I have mandatory, have kept as a mandatory profit center. Why? Because when I'm posting any transaction, I need to update the profit center. Otherwise, and it will throw the error. Okay, this is a one more point. Okay, you can add it. Next thing is we need to activate document splitting. This is also important point. Here we need to check our company is active or not. Just you can take in the company code TCS. Here you can see our TCS company is allowing to post document splitting entries. If you kept as a inactive, then not possible to post the document splitting. Okay, here we have activated. Now you can see same things we can implement, like we can post this vendor invoice like same way, and you can see how that would be split in system. Just I will share the screen and we can go what is the transaction vendor invoice FB60. Okay, I will go and I have the vendor yesterday I have defined, right? And this is a vendor and I will take the invoice date today and I'm taking the 10,000 amount, and there is a 12022. What is 2022? Just I will take the GL account. You can see here 2022. Just right. I will show you this GL accounts also. Go to FS00 and I will take 2022 expenses A. In the same here also you can see expenses A. Okay. Next I have defined one more GL account is 2023. This is expenses B. After that I will show the profit center also. Okay, 53, and I have created one is profit center PC 01 and controlling area TCS. Okay, this is a PC01 and the PC01A. Okay, and A expenses related, and PC02 is the profit center B. Okay, after that you can see this profit center we will link with and cost center. And what is the cost center I have created? One is PC01. This is one cost center. After that, I have created one more cost center PC02. This is also one cost center. Okay. Now I will show you that FB60 I will post and the original entry for document splitting. So here you can see this is supplier and I will take the invoice date and I will take the amount Here you can take as a 2022 and 2023. This is the expenses A, expenses B, and I will assign here as a 6,000 and expenses line item 1. 4,000 for B, and you can go right side. I need to assign the cost centers also, cost center and profit center. Okay, how that would be, I will show you. Just you need to update the cost center. Here cost center is and PC01 and PC02. Automatically this profit center link with cost center, right? So you can see, go to right side. Here you can see this is the cost profit center expenses A and profit center 0 to expenses B. Now I will simulate, just I will simulate. Okay, this is the actual original entry before document splitting. Now you can see, just I will click on save. I have posted the vendor invoice. Okay, this is a document number 18. Just you can go here and display, click on display. Here you can see this is a original invoice. Okay, original vendor invoice. Here you can see 6,000 posted line item 1 and B is posted with the 4,000. Just you can click on general ledger view. Now you can see automatically it has created and the double. Like you can see here expenses A 6,000, expenses B is a 4,000. Now you can see vendor how it was created. One is a line item 6,000 line item vendor reconciliation is created one line, and 4,000 also it is created. But original, what is the original? You just go back and see original. Just I will show you here. Original. This is you can see only one vendor. But when you are clicking general ledger view, you are getting as a one extra line for vendor. Means just click on this one. Sum, you will get the 0. Okay, total and line items are matched. Okay. Just go to right side. You can see here. You can see profit center 01. I assigned to expenses A, and profit center 02 assigned to expenses B. Just to click on the vendor and vendor account, just line item 1. Here what happened, you can see 6,000 amount is showing, and line item B, it is taking as a 4,000. Okay, this is the active splitting. Okay, this is the active splitting. At what is a passive splitting? Passive splitting is a original document. This is the passive splitting. Okay, this is the passive splitting. Now I will try to clear this vendor invoice, and I will go to F-53. Okay, just I will go here and I will give a date and clear payment. Okay, just I will take it here, and there is a bank GL account. I am taking the bank account GL, and I will give same vendor code here. And after that, I will try to process open item. Just click on enter. What is our document number? 18. Just I will select and remove remaining line items, just to deactivate it. Now you can see here balance is 0. Just I will try to click this one. Okay, what is amount? I need to pay 10,000 to vendor. This is our document. Okay, 18. Go to charge of difference. I will take as a 50, means vendor to outgoing bank, means we need to pay to vendor. Okay, I will give GL account 3. This is a cash account. Just I am taking as a 10,000 amount, and cost center you can see it is asking only one. So why? Because here as only we have to give one cost center, means what is a zero balance? Zero balance means debit. If debit credit is not match, automatically zero balance will come. So here only I am giving PC01. PC02 I am not giving. Automatically what happens, just click on simulate. Here you have to pay how much? 10,000 amount to vendor. Just to click on save. Just I try to save. Okay, now I clear the payment. Just go to display here. Here you can see this is a passive. What is saying? This is a passive splitting, means original payment to vendor. When I'm trying to general ledger view, you can see automatically taken how many lines here. One is vendor reconciliation, one line, and the second line it is taken total 10,000 matched, and automatically coming here zero balance clearing. Why? Because I given only profit center 01, not given PC02. So system can't understand. That's why automatically splitted the document like this. Okay. Just you can see, just to click on this cash account. Cash account I given the profit center 01. Okay. Cost center also PC01. Remaining remaining lines automatically taking from original to active splitting. Just you can see vendor reconciliation. Here you can see, here we don't have any profit center and cost center reconciliation. Vendor account level we don't define. Mind line item 2 also it is sure just before we seen, right? Active splitting this amount 6,000 4,000 automatically split in there, right? After that you can see here zero balance clearing. Why it is coming? Zero balance clearing, why it is coming? You can see, just click on zero balance clearing account, automatically PC01. Okay. Just to go back, see PC01, this is a profit center. There is no cost center. Click on this one. You can see PC01 subsidiary partner PC is a PC02. It is saying if you take and the second line item zero balance clearing PC02, here also PC02 against to PC01. So this is called passive, active, and zero balance splitting. If I sum, you can see here what is showing amount is a 0. Okay. Now we can go and FA GLL03. We can give one profit center. What happened? We can see. Okay. These are the real time process. Okay. How to follow same way, and you need to understand here like what is the splitting. Just I will take as a 2022, and I will take the dynamic selection here, and I will take one profit center. Okay. There is a profit center. Just to click on this one, I will take only profit center PC01. Click on save. Okay. Just to save, and don't give this GL account also PC01 and execute. What happened we can see here, and here you can see what is our original document, and we have done. You can come down. Okay. Just come down here. You can see as the original document is, this is the 18. Just double click this line. Sorry. Just click on this line. Go to this one. Here you can see what is the document. This is the actual document. Okay. This is the actual document. Is a clearing is a 3. Okay. Clearing is a 3 here. Just go up, and where is the 3? This is a 3. What is showing? Only here showing as a 10,000. How this is showing? Based on the profit center 0 PC01. PC01 is a profit center. You can see automatically showing, and this is a vendor account, and the segment is 1. Okay. Here as a original invoice posted with the 10,000. Okay. But when you clear also it is showing as a 10,000. How I dragged for only profit center 01. Okay. So if you want to check and the profit center 02, just to go here again, and I will change PC02 and save, and I will execute for PC02. How I will get that report for PC02. Here you can see profit center 02, and what is showing here amount is 4,000. What is the document number 3? Just click on this document number. Just click this here. Go to here, and to see here is showing what is amount is showing 4,000 is showing. Why it is showing? When I clear payment I given cost and profit center PC01. That's why it is showing this amount as a PC02. Okay. So this way how to do in the real time and the passive active zero balance splitting, you need to understand the configuration. Okay. You need to follow like this, and you can practice it. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can put in comments in YouTube. Okay.